This toaster oven is an absolute must. You're able to do all these different things on it and it heats up in no time. You can set the time, you can set the temperature, you can set it to defrost, and this knob is to have you change the temperature and set it. This is the start button right here. Let me tell you what's included with this toaster oven. So firstly, you have this cooking tray that you can use and fits right in the oven. You also have this pizza tray that you can put your pizza and slide it in, which also fits in the oven. It also comes with this cooking rack that you can insert or take out and simply put in the dishwasher if it needs some cleaning. Once you open it up, there's also a tray here to catch all your crumbs that you can go ahead and clean up. I'm going to do that right now. I wanted to show you how simple it was to give it a good clean and then put it right back in. I wanted to mention that the tray can be put on 1, 2, or 3 levels, depending on what you're putting in here to cut. All you need to do is simply slide it out and place it onto the other level and then slide it on in. So I normally keep the tray at the 2nd level. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how easily the pizza tray fits in. And now I'm gonna go ahead and show you how easily the cooking tray fits in. And there you have it, the amazing mini oven used for all my cooking essentials in my kitchen.